here. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm here at CHEEVA's. As you can see, I'm vlogging using my phone right now kasi yung camera ko, it died down. Nahulog dun sa Aguinid Falls. So bear with me. Ito nga yung gagamitin ko and hopefully everything will be fine, especially the audio. I don't know what will happen. So I'm here right now at the front desk of CHEEVA Spa and I'm with Miss Beautiful Sky. Sa akong loyo. Oh, grabe na kay gwapa lang gyapon. Nung ako nagnika na pero okay ra gyapon ni siya. Laban lang ginis massage best.
Laban lagi sa way.
Lagi.
Laban lagi sa nahulog.
Ganun gwapa man kaday. Dalagang Pilipina. Yeah. Madadyan ka. So mang-interview me diri guys and yeah. So inaano siya. CHEEVA Spa. Oh my God.
Welcome to CHEEVA Spa. This one located is F. Cabahag, Mabolo Street. This one is across Castle Peak, which we have any different types of massage, which has here a hot stone, and the herbal is one of our most recommendation massage. So please visit our spa. We are happy to serve you anytime. Thank you.
Chada kay guys, kay they have different oils, coconut, lavender, and my name, Jasmine, Rose, Hilot. So sila nail art and nail spa. Na sila UV gel color. 500 pesos. By the way guys, meron silang private room, meron din silang for couples, and ito yung package ay nila 900, 1,200, and these are the different price range for all of their services. So you're gonna check them out guys. Meron pa silang aromatherapy oil massage, body scrub. I'm here right now sa ilang VIP room. Naagin sila yung full course na 2 beds for couples, and then after that pwede pa gid sila ka-shower dire sa owner rooms. Ang ganda, super cozy, and I love their designs kasi parang super usually yung mga spa dim naman talaga yung lights, but then dito ang ganda ng aroma. As you can see kanina talagang nag-suffer ako from allergy. At when I came here, parang nagsutan yung allergy ko. Maybe because of the oil and the smell sa place. Kaya it's super clean. So ito yung room nila guys na good for 3 persons. Kanina yung pinakita ko is more on the couple room or VIP room. Dito naman, it's very good for barkada. So it's super chill na habang nagmamasahe, nagchichika, and super relaxing. Alam nyo naman, if nagpapa-relax, marami talagang chika. So ganyan. Ang ganda ng ambience ng room nila guys. Meron pang palamp-lamp galore. Ito naman guys is good for 2. So good for couples. The only difference is walang bathrooms. So, chika lang, okay lang if ever. I'm here right now for the rooms na good for 4. The same setting, pero maganda kasi mas marami yung ma-accommodate. And yes, again, the only difference is walang bathroom dito aside from VIP room. So, kuha ko ng picture for you guys. Guys, sa kuan kay mag-prep daw me for foot wash. Laban na gitaan ni So, kanindot sa feeling. Foot massage. Foot wash. Mura mag-foot massage. Thank you. Swedish massage and Shatsu.
Stretching.
Hello, niya mag-ano. Ano, chitaro na ni ready na ko. So, mag-start na mi guys in 1, 2, 3. So we're done with our massage, guys, and may palighting effect sa Mayora and with Viti. So manong bali, okay ra. Nice, no? Lamig kaayo. Guys, mga tunamis, Kai, thank you so much kay kamera ginduha diri, and thank you so much for watching this vlog, and don't forget to visit Sky Zia sa iyang YouTube channel. She's so very bubbly, guys. Super. Link down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now. Saranghe. So if you want, guys, we have a giveaway for you together with Sky. We're going to give away 1 hour massage for CHEEVA Spa. All you need to do, the mechanics will be down below, and don't forget to check it out. Okay? Bye! Pitay ko sa GRS kaya na ako gikuha nga. Ano sa unboxing?